Solder all exposed copper strands of tough cable and cold lead with the solder provided. Make certain that heat is sufficient to draw solder completely into the splice. Never heat the small end of the E210BS butt splice or scorch the insulator on the tough cable or cold lead. While the connection is cooling, carefully slide the sleeve over tough cable end of the E210BS butt splice. When the splice has completely cooled, slide the heat shrink and center it over the splice. Use a broad soft flame torch or hot air gun to heat around the diameter of the tube to warm and shrink it. Do not scorch the tube. The shrink is complete when the adhesives ooze from between the tube and the tough cable and the cold lead.